If you're in the UK and Imgur is not loading, blocked, or showing restricted content, you're not alone. In some cases, networks, ISPs, workplaces, or schools limit access to Imgur, which can be frustrating if you just want to browse images or share links. The good news is that you can usually unblock Imgur quickly by using a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and changes your IP address. This makes it look like you're browsing from another country where Imgur is fully accessible. It also protects your privacy, especially if you're using public Wi-Fi or a restricted network. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using NordVPN. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price. Before getting started, it's important to say this clearly. Using a VPN for privacy and to access blocked websites is generally legal in the UK, but you should always make sure you're not violating local laws, network rules, or Imgur's own terms of service. This method usually appears fine, but it's your responsibility to double-check to avoid any problems. VPNs are also widely used for staying safe on public Wi-Fi and accessing websites that may be censored or restricted in certain places. Now, to begin, go to the NordVPN website using the link below. Create your account, choose a plan that works for you, and download the NordVPN app on your device. NordVPN works on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and many other platforms. Once installed, open the NordVPN app and log in. You'll see a list of countries. To unblock Imgur in the UK, connect to a nearby country where Imgur works normally, such as Germany, the Netherlands, or France. Connecting to a nearby server helps keep speeds fast. After the VPN connection is active, open your browser and go to Imgur. The site should now load normally without blocks or errors. You can browse, upload, and view images just like usual. If Imgur still doesn't load, try refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache, or switching to another server in the same country. That usually fixes the issue. So that's how you can use Imgur in the UK and unblock it fast. Just remember to use a VPN responsibly and always check local rules and platform policies. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out.